Hello and welcome back. Today we have a special SNS tutorial for you. We'll be going over how to create this beautiful alien abduction nail. Follow along, and if you have any questions, drop a comment below. As you can see here, we already built up our nails with natural set. If you'd like to see a full-length tutorial, please click the link on screen. Alright, now let's begin. We're using Jealous base first and pairing it with our Jealous color, Happy Honeymoon 21. All products used will be in the description below. Apply your first layer of Jealous base and dip into the Jealous color. Now dust off that nail. Make sure to always get underneath. And repeat. Apply your SNS sealer dry. Make sure it's completely dry. File and buff your nails. Once we're done applying gel top to all your nails, wait for your nails to dry. Apply a layer of your SNS Healthy GelStar Healthy Base Coat. We're pairing it with our GelStar One Step Gel, number 65. Cure your nails for 30 seconds. We'll be utilizing this special tool in combination with GelStar 65. Follow along to repeat the design. Look at those beautiful nails. Once you're happy with your design, cure your nails for 30 seconds. And bam, beautiful. We're going to utilize this chrome rub-on powder, which you can get from any SNS distributor. Let's prepare our chrome number 20. After you dab the nail with the chrome powder, rub it in, and make sure to cure it under the light for 30 seconds. Use your one-step gel number 65 to create the alien face. Cure your nails for another 30 seconds and apply a GelStar top coat. Now cure for 60 and look at that beautiful design. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon not to miss out on any of our latest tutorials. Bye for now.